Let's be school ready with teacher Ray. I can count. Today, we are going to learn about numbers that come before, after, and in between. Are you ready? You may say, "Yes, I am." Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's play a game. Some numbers are going to be hidden. All you need to do is answer the question, what are the missing numbers? That's right, 3. Can you find the other missing numbers? That's correct, 6. We have 2 more missing numbers. Can you find them? That's right, 8. What is the last missing number? You did it! 10. You found all the missing numbers. Number that comes before. The number that comes before is the number on the left. What is the number that comes before 2? It's 1. 1, 2. What is the number that comes before 4? It's 3. 3, 4. What is the number that comes before 6? It's 5. 5, 6. Number that comes after. The number that comes after is the number on the right. What is the number that comes after 1? It's 2. 1, 2. What is the number that comes after 3? It's 4. 3, 4. What is the number that comes after 5? It's 6. 5, 6. The number that is in between is the number in the middle of 2 numbers. What is the number between 1 and 3? It's 2. 1, 2, 3. What is the number between 4 and 6? It's 5. 4, 5, 6. Now it's your turn. What is the missing number? What is the number before 3? Very good. 2. What is the number before 7? That's right. It's 6. What is the number that comes after 8? That's correct. It's 9. What is the number that comes after 1? That's right. It's 2. What is the number between 3 and 5? That's correct. It's 4. What is the number between 6 and 8? That's correct. It's 7. You did great! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching!